Hey guys, Mike here from Filament Innovations, and here at Filament Innovations we're always pushing the limits of what we can do with 3D printing. So today I'm really excited to tell you that we were just recently contacted by Atomic Props and Effects to build one of the world's largest 3D printers in an 8-week time period. Atomic Props and Effects creates engaging and immersive experiences for numerous industries. They came to us, asked us, using our ability and our knowledge of 3D printing, can we fabricate a 4-foot by 8-foot by 4-foot build area of a 3D printer. And not only is it just FDM 3D printing, but FGF 3D printing as well. And in case you didn't know, FGF is pellet extrusion. It stands for Fused Granular Fabrication. So, crazy idea. We called our guys up at Dyes Designs up in Canada and said, hey, can we get a Typhoon and a Pulsar delivered to us immediately so we can go down this crazy idea of building this 4-foot, 8-foot, 4-foot printer in 8 weeks? And they said yes. We know we can do it. So what we're going to be doing here over the next few weeks is actually documenting this build and sharing it here with you. We feel it's an absolutely crazy idea. We think we can pull it off. In fact, we know we can pull it off. And we want to show the world what Filament Innovations can do here with our dedicated team of fabricators, engineers, and all-around tinkerers.